Which he used to be really good at, but suddenly he's leaving out E and F. It's like they just, I don't know, fell out of his head.
Really?
Oh, and
The other night, did you tell her about the magical ride that starts with the flush of every toilet?
laugh all you want, but she actually left me a message saying she'd like to go out again. In fact, I'm going to go call her right now.
You ever slept in the same bed with a monkey?
Hey, you leave Marcel out of this!
All right. You ever got stuck in a pair of your own leather pants?
Hey, have you ever locked yourself in a TV cabinet, VD boy?
It's a baseball. I mean, this guy would strike out and then run to third. Anyway, if I'm the only one left out of this wedding, I just know that all those feelings are going to come rushing back.
All right, fine, I pick you.
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, leave out. It means 1. To not include someone or something. Examples, I left out the coriander, and used cumin in the recipe instead. Why was Suzie left out of the plans for tonight? 2. To leave an area or place. Examples, we didn't leave out the house for the party until after midnight. Denise left out of the room to let her parents talk in private. 3. To leave something where it doesn't belong or is unsecured. Examples, who left the milk out of the fridge? Please don't leave your stuff out unattended. Now, let's see how leave out is used in real life.
See, when I was a kid, I was always left out of everything, and it really made me feel insecure,
Which he used to be really good at, but suddenly he's leaving out E and F. It's like they just, I don't know, fell out of his head.
I'm sitting right here. You're talking about my feelings and somehow leaving me out of the conversation.
I'm sorry, what did you want to say?
Hey, you leave Marcel out of this!
All right. You ever got stuck in a pair of your own leather pants?
Do what you gotta do, just leave me out of it.
What'd you say?
Anyway, if I'm the only one left out of this wedding, I just know that all those feelings are going to come rushing back.
I left the car at the back. Now you take Commonwealth, no sides.
Right. We left it all out there on the griddle. We live to fight another day.
Oh, you didn't know that, did you?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.